Want to quickly log into Deepseek AI using your Google account? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into Deepseek AI with the Google. So let's dive right in. To get started, head to the Deepseek AI app just like this. Now tap on it. Now after opening it, you will see something like this. Now to log in with Google, simply tap on to sign in with Google just right here. Now select it. Now tap on to agree. Tap on to continue. Now wait for a few seconds. Now choose the Google account that you want to log in from, just like this. Then again tap on to continue. Now wait for a few seconds. And now here you can see you have been logged in with the help of the Google. And that's it. This is how you can log in with the Google in the Deepseek AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.